So I have a load of alcohol inks or dipping inks, and I was curious to see how it would turn out if I put it into a mould.
Ooh. Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello. So this is a Green Man mould.
Well, it's kind of a green man.
Well,
It's a cross between a green man and something else, but I don't know what the something else is.
yeah. Now, I've done a couple of these before, and I've mica'd them.
The first ever video we did on our channel was a green man.
It was. And I think I've done one since. I don't think I have.
No, you haven't.
No.
Despite me asking you many, many times to do it.
So it's been a couple of years.
Yeah.
So I was looking at my inks, and I thought, I wonder how it would turn out if I actually used my inks to do the leaves and the green man himself.
Mm-hmm. That's a very nice turtle.
It is, yes. My glamorous assistant made it for me.
Mm-hmm. Did she now?
Yes,
that was nice of her.
it was. Yes,
Yeah.
and it's got a silicone base in there, and you put your paints on there, and it doesn't seep away, or it doesn't it doesn't draw it, and it's beautiful. And then once you've finished and you just leave it to dry, it just wipes
Peels
off. It's
wow,
awesome.
I tell you, that assistant of yours,
Yep.
she has some really good ideas.
Just a couple occasionally.
Rude.
Yeah. So I do use mica on this as well for some of the on the edge. There's it's like a metal. I don't know what you call that. Like a pattern.
Yes, a pattern.
Yes, there's a pattern. So I do use that for mica, but the other stuff, I do use the inks, and it started off well. I was at this point, I thought this might actually work really well. The only issue that I've found.
Can I guess what it is?
Go on then.
Is it that the dipping inks are too runny?
No, because they yes and no.
What?
Yes and no.
It can't be yes and no.
Why?
Because I do the yeses and the noes. And if you're doing that, what's my half of the equation?
Well, I thought I'd give it a try.
Well, stop it.
Yeah, the issue is that the mould it's not a flat, smooth mould.
No, it's a crevicey mould.
The
It's a nooks and cranny mould.
It is, but that's where the dippings are really good, because they seep into it. It's the bits that have slopes and it runs down.
So exactly what I said.
No.
Oh. How was it not?
Because if I put it into the nooks and crannies, it will stay there, and it will work lovely. But where it tapers, that's where the ink slid down.
Okay.
And it didn't stay there because the silicone just says no, get away.
So it doesn't stick to the silicone as well as you would hope.
No. Whereas the mica,
yeah, perfect.
It's perfect.
It's like a match made in heaven.
Yes, I know. But the leaves were really good.
Okay.
For putting for the ink, because you just dipped it in there and it just spread out into like all the corners of the leaves.
How is that better or worse than taking mica powder and mixing your mica powder with a bit of alcohol ink?
These are
because mica powder mixed with alcohol, not alcohol ink,
isopropyl,
just regular alcohol. Yeah. Because when you do that, it creates a very liquid.
It does
stuff,
yeah,
and then the alcohol dries off, and you're left with just the pigment.
It does. It could do, but I think the colours are different.
Okay, so it wasn't just the dipping inks; it was the colour thing that you wanted.
Yeah, because I've got a few of these.
I don't know if you've noticed, we've got quite a few micas.
Well, yes.
Okay.
Yes, we have. But I wanted to try
No,
something
no,
different.
I totally understand where you're coming from. Totally. Sorry, I just need to wiggle around in my chair a little bit.
Also, doing the micas, it's a bit of a faff as well, because you've got to put it into the tub, put the alcohol in there, mix it up, and then do it.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you mix too much, then you've either have to mix something out, mica something else, or let it go to waste.
Or you could have used your turtle for that.
Or the turtle.
Mm-hmm.
But I wanted to do this.
That's fine. I'm just playing devil's advocate.
Same as normal then.
Yeah, pretty much. I must say, I do like the colours that you have in your dipping inks.
I think so. I went for, this was going to be like a summer one. Yes,
because it's summer.
It is summer.
Actual summer.
I know, and I did like the I could actually put some of the different colours in the same leaves, because some of them actually it ran off the silicone.
Mm-hmm.
It left a little gap, and I could put
other little so you could really sort of make it look like it's colour textured as well as just texture.
Yeah, so it wasn't just one colour in the specific leaf. Now I know you can do that with micas as well, but
not quite like you can with that stuff for sure. Definitely, I would agree with that.
But I did want the beard to be quite contrasting, so I did do that in mica.
Mm-hmm.
And so the leaves and that I've painted.
Yeah.
But the beard, the pattern on the edge, and that, I don't even know what that is, that blue thing that I've painted.
That's the sky.
Is it the sky?
It is.
Okay.
I look at it and I see sky.
Is that because I painted it blue?
No. You said to me what colour, and I said do it blue, because I look at it and see sky.
Okay.
It's the bit you can see through the tree.
Yeah.
To my mind.
Now, for the rest of it, I thought, I'm not going to bother painting it. I'm just going to use a brown paste with a bit of shimmer in it.
Yeah, bit of sparkle.
Yeah. So I've used the chocolate from Just Resin.
Yes.
And it's a beautiful.
It is
beautiful chocolate.
Stunning colour.
Yeah. And with the shimmer in there as well, it just gives it a little bit more of a zhuzh.
So the shimmer is the Pearl-X Macro Pearl.
Yeah.
Which is, it gives anything a shimmer. It's beautiful, beautiful stuff.
But that brown is just...
That brown, though, I actually saw you pouring this, and I was like, I need some chocolate now.
Yeah.
And you had to go to the shop, didn't you, and get me some chocolate? Not that I need more chocolate, but, you know.
So you demanded...
I did. I was like, chocolate. Go to the shop, get me chocolate.
Yeah. So the mould is not supported properly on some of the edges, so I did have to prop it up a little bit.
Yeah.
And then I just set that off to cure.
And I said, yeah, but it's all very well. You need a mica one to compare.
Yes. So this is what this one is. So I've used taken every single green that we've got.
He did every single green.
All of them there. So all of the from Let's Resin's collection. So we've got all of the greens, and that it looks gold, but it says goldy green on it.
Well, it's goldy green then, isn't it?
Yeah. And then I set to
work.
I did set to work, and that's the gold from
the jacquard. Yeah.
That's
the golden sparkle, I think it's called.
Yes, it is.
It's beautiful.
It is.
It is stunning, that colour.
It is really, really nice.
But
it's jacquard, isn't it? So they are
my absolute all-time favourite micas.
Yeah.
Tiny Turners as well. Equally. They're equal.
They're equal?
Yeah.
So you couldn't choose between the two?
They do different things.
They do, actually, to be fair. They are two different things. So I think all in, this one took me about an hour and a half to mica.
Yeah. I was hoping it would take you a bit longer. And whilst Kirk is micering all of that, that is just a little note to say thank you to all our Glitterati members. Without you, we would not be able to put quite as much. Well, we wouldn't have as many greens, that's for sure.
Yeah.
You'd have a black and white green man.
A black and white green man.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
So you have to do the thank you very much
oh,
now.
sorry. And because you are the Glitterati, you get an extra special thank you very much.
No.
What's wrong with that?
You didn't wink.
I'm not.
There was no wink.
Yeah.
Come on, you need to put the effort in.
Thank you very much. That was effort.
Let me know in the comments what you thought to Nikki's thank you very much.
Mine was heartfelt.
Yeah.
Well.
But there was no wink.
They can't. Okay.
There was an over-exaggerated wink then.
As per your request.
Yes.
Oh, look at that colour.
That's beautiful colour, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. What colour's that?
That's the gold.
That's the jacquard.
Yeah.
Yes. And then Kirk at some point says to me, what colour do I do there? And I said, well, you can't do blue because you've already done blue. So obviously.
Purple.
Go for purple.
Yeah. Go for the purple. When in doubt, purple.
Purple. Yeah. I'm a simple girl. What can I say?
Yeah. I mean, it does look there, the micas, it does look better.
It does, yeah.
But we'll see what they
look like
yes.
when you've got them side by side. But I have to say that chocolate brown, beautiful.
It is. But I was fully prepared for the bits that weren't supported properly this time, and I just used some tissue.
You used a lot of tissue.
Well, it's baby wipes.
I know. Same thing, sort of. Pretty much.
Yeah. So this is the Demould.
Indeed, it's very exciting.
So this is the one with the paint. Now, I was trying to see whether the paint would actually stick to the resin and not cause any issues.
Mm-hmm.
So I was demoulding it, and I was quite nervous at this point to see whether, but I was quite happy that there was nothing left in the mould. And then, so that is the dipping inks one. I
think it's really nice.
I really like that.
It's got a darkness that you don't tend to get with micas. Micas, they're always a lot brighter. No matter how dark the mica is, it's always a lot darker.
Yeah. Now
brighter.
there are some holes in it where the ink has dried but left a little air bubble.
Yeah, but I'm going to go through and I will sit when Kirk is not around to distract me, and I will fix every single little bubble.
But I really do like that.
I like it, and I think what makes it a little bit more, I don't know what the word is, thingy, is the fact that you've put that gold onto the sides. That just sort of makes it...
It stands out a bit.
Yeah. It just gives it that little bit of oomph. And again, the blue mica behind the tree. Yeah. It just, I feel it's, I really do like it. I really do like that one. I think it's very...
Even though there were bubbles, I would use those inks on that again.
Yeah, definitely.
Because I think
Well, I've had another idea actually whilst we've been watching this.
Oh.
What do you say it like that for?
Because normally it causes me a lot of work when you have an idea.
No, I've just had a little thunk, that was all.
Okay.
And the thunk that I was thinking is I could do you an Aquacast one of those, and you could actually use your inks to paint it.
Could do.
Just a thought.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah. And this is the mica one. Now, I knew this one wasn't going to come off in the mould, so
yeah,
I wasn't as nervous demoulding this one.
No.
But I was still curious as to see how it would turn out with the brown.
Yeah.
But I don't know why, but the mica one always seems to leave a little bit in the mould.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. And here we go.
Yeah, do you see what I mean? It's a lot shinier.
It is,
It's a lot sort of, it's a lot.
The gold is, I know it's a different gold,
yeah,
but
it doesn't, that gold doesn't stand out quite so much, and the tree isn't as deep in colour.
No, it's quite shiny.
Yeah, I think it just doesn't feel as rich, if I'm honest.
Of the two, I do a side by side in a set, but of the two, I think the ink one turned out better.
I like them both.
I do like them both, but I think
looking at them side by side, for me, I really do like the one that you did your inks on. It's
just the brown isn't as shiny, so it looks more tree-like, and it's darker as well.
I just think it looks, it's a lot.
And the leaves aren't as shiny, so they're.
Let us know in the comments down below.
Yeah.
What you think? Do you like the inks or the mica?
Yeah.
And would you like Kirk to paint an Aquacast one and see how that turns out?
Yeah.
'Cause I certainly would.
Mm.
And on that note, if you've enjoyed our creative sort of chaos, YouTube Wizardry is going to suggest another video you might enjoy just as much, maybe a little bit more.
Yep.
Possibly a little bit less. Who knows?
Who knows?
But if you've liked this one, please do help us out by hitting that like button.
And while you're down there, if you have any spare and you feel that we have deserved it, why not consider giving us a hype? And if you haven't already, giving the subscribe a little tickle as well.
And on that note, hopefully we will see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Take care. Bye for now.
Bye for now.